We have had an exciting week this week at Southeastern Community College with our HE²ALS camp. We have enjoyed learning about different health careers. We have done robotic arms, and we've had the Da Vinci surgical robot here on loan from Scotland Health. And we are going to have your robots actually try to move some of those Legos into the container. And then once we've tried that, you guys are going to be able to have a chance to come and work at this Da Vinci machine, okay? And we are so thankful that Scotland lended this to us to work with. And like I said, this is what surgeons use when they practice, when they're working with the robotic Da Vinci machine. And we're so glad to have that here. So you guys will get a chance to practice with that as well, okay? So come on over, go to your robot. It's placed exactly where it was yesterday, and we are going to have you guys move those Legos, and we've got some engineering students who are going to be watching you. You guys did a beautiful job building those, and I'm so proud of you.
I wanted to learn more about health science careers, especially sonography, which is why I want to go into.
Yeah, I wanted to learn more about like different careers because I don't know what I want to do yet, so I'm trying to figure it out, and I thought this would help a lot.
Well, I really wanted to explore more careers and kind of narrow down what I want to do for sure in healthcare. Because I want to learn more about healthcare, and I want to get into something in the healthcare field.
Well, I want to learn more about healthcare, specifically nursing, because that's my interest right now.
I really wanted to know more about what I wanted to do in life, and that's it.
The students enjoyed building those robots, and they learned how to work together, teamwork, and they also enjoyed maneuvering those and picking those up and putting them into different containers, much like our surgeons have to do when they're working inside with patients using that robotic arm. Doctors, this is what they do because they actually are sitting over in the corner and the robotics machine is in the patient, and they are manipulating it over to the side with these instruments here. On Wednesday, our students participated in pathology, where they learned about different slides under the microscope, looking at things such as leukemia, the malaria, sickle cell, and we were able to talk about different disease processes and how that looks under the microscope, and also how that acts when it's in the body.
So I want you to try to find what you're supposed to be seeing, but then I want you to go to the other stations, because like she's looking at these green crystals, but I want her to come and see these bacteria too. Okay, the brain-eating amoeba and this, I don't want you to try to find it because it took me a while.
I saw something, but it went away.
So in that way, the stage adjustment can go side to side and then back and forth. You found any leukemia cells? Yeah.
Today, as you can see behind me, our students are doing some research because they're going to be presenting a research project today. Not only are they doing a research project, but today is our emergency response day. And so we'll be learning all about how to handle emergency responses, and we'll also take our turn at trying to suture. This has been a wonderful week here for these students as they get to learn and dive into health careers of all different angles. We look forward to seeing you next year.